Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Bubble workflows for user onboarding, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Bubble account. Open the application you want to update for user onboarding. Navigate to the Workflows tab in the editor. Identify the specific workflow related to user onboarding. Click on the workflow to open it in the editor. Review the existing steps to determine what changes are necessary. If you need to add a new action, click the Add an Action button. Choose the appropriate category for your new action based on your onboarding needs. Select the specific action type you want to implement. Configure the action settings according to your requirements. Make sure to set conditions for when this action should trigger. If needed, rearrange the order of actions to align with the new onboarding process. Test each updated action by using the preview mode to ensure it functions as expected. Adjust any settings based on your test results. Consider adding user feedback options at key onboarding stages. Save your changes after confirming everything works as intended. Document your workflow changes for future reference and team collaboration. Publish the updated application to make the new onboarding workflow live. Monitor user interactions to gather data on the effectiveness of the updated onboarding process. Be prepared to make further adjustments based on user feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.